I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about damping and how it relates to stack testing. Damping allows pressure transducer readings to be broken into blocks of readings and averaged. Damping is useful for testers because conditions may provide sporadic values to appear on the screen that change too fast for a tester to read accurately. Averaging the readings through damping allows a more stable value to be read on the console that is also representative of the test conditions. Block size is the number of readings that are averaged. Each block is 1/4 of a second. So 4 blocks would make up 1 second. For example, if we chose a block size of 16 on our console, that would equal 4 seconds. The way it works is, let's say we have our 16 blocks as representative here. We would erase our oldest block and a new one would be added at the end every 1/4 of a second. So another 1/4 second passes, the oldest block is removed and a new one added to the end and averaged. Damping band is another element of damping that can be used if a tester chooses. Damping band starts a new averaging block if a value is read that falls outside of the user selected band percent setting. Band percent is the percent of pressure transducer full scale. So if we had a 5-inch pressure transducer, a 10% band setting on our console would equal a 1/2 of an inch. The way band percent works is, let's say we have 1 block of data. Let's say this block equals around 2 inches of pressure. We keep seeing values that are around 2 inches, and let's say a value appears that is 3 inches. Given that our band percent is set at 10%, we have a 1/2 of an inch plus or minus the 2 inches before we fall out of band. So 3 inches would make this fall out of band and start a new averaging block. So now, if we have a value that is less than or greater than a 1/2 of an inch of the 3-inch pressure, we will fall out of band. So if we see a value that is around 1 inch, again, it'll fall out of band and start a new averaging block. If we set our value for band percent at 0 on our console, it will never fall out of band and start a new averaging block. Again, damping is useful when conditions are sporadic and it's hard to read on the screen. So damping allows the pressure transducers to be averaged and a more stable value appears on the console. This helps out a tester because they see not only a more stable value on the console, but a value that is more representative of the overall test conditions.